Hello friends, are you a new streamer or are you wondering how people get those awesome circular borders around their webcams live on stream? Well, today I'm going to show you how to do this super easily in OBS, how to mask your webcam down to whatever shape you want. It can be a circle, a star, some made-up shape, you name it. The process is super easy. To do this, we just have 2 simple steps. Now, before we hop right into this, I just want to remind you, if you're having any issues with OBS or some interesting questions on how exactly to do something unique, please put a comment down below. I would love to look into it and maybe throw a tutorial out there for you. Now, how to get that circle border around our face here in OBS. So step 1, we need to create a mask image. All this means is it's a black and white image that filters out the video around our face. So, go ahead and open your favorite image editor. I personally use Photoshop. You can use whatever you want. They all work pretty much the same. Let me open up Photoshop here. I'm going to create a brand new file. I'm just going to create something that is 16:9 ratio since that's what my canvas is in OBS. Currently my canvas is 4K, but I'm going to create a 1080p image. It'll stretch just fine. Go ahead and create whatever you're comfortable with. Now, straightforward, I'm just going to paint the background black. Simple as that. Now, in this example, black means do not show video. White means do show video. So all we need to do after that, I'm going to grab my oval tool, or ellipse tool, I guess it is. I'm going to have white border, fill it with white, and I'm just going to create a fancy little oval. Nothing too crazy here. Let's move this around a little bit. I'm going to center that. I'm going to lift that up to the top. Let's lower that down. I'm just going to fill the screen with this. So there you go. I just created a basic image, white circle, black background. Nothing too hard about this. So I'm going to go ahead and do a quick export of that. You can go ahead and save that wherever you want. Now, once you have that, go ahead and flip on over to your OBS. Wow, here we go. We are seeing myself live in OBS as it's even recording. But here's what we're going to do. You should have your webcam source here. You can see mine here. I named it after what camera I'm using. I have the Sony 6400. You can right click on your webcam source. Go ahead and go to filters. We have effect filters. We are going to do add, and we are going to do an image mask blend. Call this something you want. I'm going to go ahead, let's see, because this is it's kind of our cropping. I want to call it circle border. Simple as that. Why not? It's alpha mask. We're going to on color white. I selected my image, and then boom. Oop, let me get in frame. Okay, and then close. You can see this already went into effect because I happen to have one of my favorite games, Hollow Knight, in the background already as a source. But now we can take this source and with holding down the control key to maintain aspect ratio, we can now resize however we wish. Oops, wrong one. So let's get my webcam. And now I can resize this. And, you know, maybe I want to play up here in the corner. And let's maybe make it a little bigger. Move it over there. Boom. Just like that. I successfully, in 2 easy steps. 1, create the image. 2, apply the filter in OBS. You can do any shape you wish to crop your webcam in OBS. You can crazy custom shapes, you name it. Now, maybe you want to, on your overlay, put another image as like a border around it. Go for it. You can do anything you want. But the key is, how do you easily get these odd-shaped crops? Now you know. Hopefully this helps you set up your overlay in OBS. Let me know how it works for you. If you are enjoying these tutorials, make sure you hit that like button and hit that subscribe if you want to come back and be notified of future OBS and other streaming software tutorials coming soon. I will see everyone next time.